Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions. You must have global admin or Sharepoint admin rights. Once confirmed, open the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, then navigate to Admin Centers and choose SharePoint. Make sure you know whether you'll add an individual user or assign access via a Microsoft 365 group. That choice affects steps ahead. From here, click Active Sites to pick the site collection you'll update. This gets you directly to the site-level sharing and permission controls, so you can begin adding users. Once on the site, click Permissions and then Advanced Permission Settings to view site groups and role assignments. You can add a single user with their email or add a security group to simplify management. Adding a group is faster when multiple users need identical rights. When you add, pick the permission level, read for viewing, edit for contributing, full control to manage settings. After adding, check the membership list to confirm users appear and remind them to sign in with their work account to receive access immediately. To finish, verify that access works. Use the Check Permissions tool or ask the user to sign in and open the site. If a newly added user doesn't appear, make sure Azure AD Sync completed. Wait a few minutes and refresh because replication delays are common. If problems persist, remove and re-add the user or add them to a different group to isolate the issue. One key troubleshooting tip: confirm the user's account is active in Azure AD and not blocked, because disabled accounts won't gain access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.